Hey, good afternoon. Woody here with GMR Metal Roofs and Construction. Want to show you these problematic details that we always have on a concrete tile, shingle, roof-to-wall flashing, and also on the stone-coated steel. So here in the stone-coated steel, you can see the guys right now, we have a pre-existing flashing for your dry-in underneath here that's from the tile roofing. The peel and stick goes up to that. Then what the guys did is they took their panel and bent that panel up 90 degrees. From there, what we're going to do is we're going to take this piece of Z-bar flashing, and we're going to put the Z-bar flashing up onto here. So what that does, that gives us 4 layers of protection between the metal, and the metal is 100% watertight and waterproof. And when we put this on here with steel on the back side of it, it gives us a nice tight seal on these problem areas. So that's the benefit of stone-coated steel when we do a bend up. We have that 100% bulletproof roof-to-wall flashing that's always a problem. So like us, find us, and follow us over here at GMR Metal Roofs and Construction. And let us know when you have these bad details that we actually take our time and do these details properly to make sure that this is the bulletproof section, because it's the hardest section of the house where there's most opportunity to leak. So again, with 4 pieces of flashing in here, it's never going to have a problem. So thank you and have a blessed day.